So here we are again, it's Thanksgiving, and we're super excited to share with you 2 amazing Thanksgiving tablescapes.
Yes, welcome to Emily and Laura. I'm Emily.
And I am Laura.
And remember, all of the links today will be displayed down below. And please like and subscribe.
What Emily and I wanted to do this year was show you how you can change the look of a table and still use the same dishes, placemats, and runner. So we have 2 different designs for you, one rustic and one a little bit more contemporary and bright.
Yeah, last year we showed you 2 different types of tablescapes, and we just thought it was really fun to be able to show the diversity of what you can do. Yeah. But we just decided to challenge ourselves a little bit more with keeping the essentials the same and just changing up the decor.
Yeah, you know what, and if this isn't your vibe, either one of these, go and check out our video that we did last year. And those 2 tablescapes have a completely different feeling. So we kind of started this table with these great rounds. Emily had cut these previously, right?
Yeah, yep.
And so we had all these different sizes, and you can actually buy these types of runners that have the burlap backing, and then they have all of these kind of glued onto it.
Yeah.
We created our own. We really wanted to use this gray mat as our background so that all of our rustic popped off of it. And I think, you know, Emily's new marble table, which we do have to take a moment to appreciate, it just pops. Everything pops off the table.
So our main centerpieces today, we used a Japanese pumpkin and
kind of black, right? I mean, it's not really black, but
green, black,
it's such
has
a
some
dark
character.
Green.
Yeah, it's really cool. Not just your traditional pumpkin. And then we just put in a small water bowl inside and added our fresh cut flowers.
And then we got these cute tea lights from Amazon. We'll link them down below. And I just think they're really subtle and soft. The other thing that we did was the napkin rings, right?
Very, very cool. We just happened to run across these little antlers that were originally an ornament.
Yes.
Yeah. So then Laura was like, oh, this is it. This is gonna be our napkin ring holder. So
yeah, I loved how it actually hugs the napkin. And then we took some leather. It's basically what you would make leather necklaces out of. And so we took that and we just wrapped it around the antlers and then tied it in the back with a very loose knot so that all that somebody has to do is just like kind of pull it. And then they can take it and they can just lay it inside
into the wood rounds.
Oh,
it's so cute.
And I think that is a really pretty compliment to everything.
Absolutely.
Really cute.
Yeah.
Now, this took us obviously we did a lot of prep here.
Yes.
But everything was super easy and simple. We just bought, some beautiful flowers and pumpkins. And this table took us, after we were all done, 5 minutes to set, and that's it.
Yeah.
So we hope that you enjoy this, and now we are going to take you to our next tablescape.
So for this fall tablescape, we did something a little bit more on the minimalist side, but still has those warm fall colors.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Same flower arrangement. We just took out some of the more woodsy, rustic pieces. Put in more greenery, very contemporary. These are actually not meant for water though, so if you're going to put water in them, you need to put a glass container in there first. I just think it's beautiful.
Yeah, they're kind of that pottery, natural look, but still white and crisp.
And then we made these napkin decorations, right? Which again, you can take these and just put them inside of the table setting, and they just become part of the centerpiece.
Yes,
and Emily and I really love to do that because it just...
multi-purpose.
It does. It's multi-purpose, right? And you don't have to fuss so much about your centerpiece because you're adding to the centerpiece as you go.
Absolutely.
And I just think it's so pretty. Just love these little pumpkins. And we used linen napkins for both of these table settings.
Yeah, a natural, nice, soft linen. And it's amazing. It just becomes that texture that you're looking for without it being too overpowering.
Right, goes great with the rustic, but then for the contemporary, it's very on trend. Linen is really hot right now.
Yeah.
So I just think it's beautiful. Still use the same gold placeware, white plates.
Yeah.
Nothing really changed here except for what you see. We even use the same tea lights. And so this just goes to show you how you can create with the same materials outside of what we used on our napkin rings and just changing our centerpieces just ever so slightly. How you can have completely two different arrangements. So I just kind of want to talk about this a little bit. We normally wouldn't have this inside the table, but we would definitely have it in the background, but we wanted to show it to you today. This is one of our favorite candles. It's a Northwest company called Anchor Northwest, and we buy a lot of their candles. We love the scents. This one happens to be their fall harvest. So we included it today because we think it's a great buy. It's a beautiful candle, and we encourage you to go and buy one. We'll have it linked below.
Yes, they have a candle for every occasion. So recently I just bought one for a newly engaged couple, and it says newly engaged. I mean, so they have so many great things. Check them out.
Yeah, and our favorite date night. We
favorite
love
scent
date night
ever.
Yeah.
We're so glad that you could join us today. We hope this gave you a little inspiration and you have fun at your next Thanksgiving dinner.
Look at all our links down below. If you're interested in any of these things, we'll have them all linked for you. And we wish all of you a wonderful Thanksgiving, and we're so thankful for you. We're thankful that you've been with us this year.
And keep following us. Cheers.
Cheers.